Welcome back to the channel, where we discuss important topics related to road safety. Imagine you are driving down the road, maintaining a constant speed, when suddenly the car in front of you brakes hard without warning.
Never break, always fight, never quit, get it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, get it right.
To sum it up, maintaining a safe following distance and using turn signal ahead of time before braking are crucial for preventing rear-end collisions. By following the 3-second rule and communicating your intentions to other drivers, you can greatly reduce the chances of being involved in such accidents. According to the 2018 AAMI Crash Index, the most common form of motor vehicle accident in Australia is a nose-to-tail collision, which occurs when one vehicle collides with the back of another. It accounts for 31% of all traffic accidents. If you'd like to buy a used car, you could always run a personal property securities register, PPSR check. You may find this information useful, as it gives you a very clear idea of the car history before you buy it. The Budget Direct website offers a free PPSR check. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more road safety films in the future. Till then, drive safely.